How to change password in Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change or update your password. First of all, go to the website name sephora.com. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now here, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find an option called Account Settings. Tap on Account Settings. Here, we're in this account settings. Here, you'll be able to see all the information related to your account. Here on the bottom, there's a section of password. Simply tap on this edit button. Now here, you can easily change it, adding a new password. So enter the password 2 times and simply hit on update and you'll have your new password done. So later when you log in, you must use the same password too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.